Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will solve example number first in that first to sixth example from practice set 5.1 based on distance formula from the chapter coordinate geometry. Distance formula. Distance between 2 points P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 in xy plane. In xy plane is given by the formula distance PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Using this formula, we solve examples of practice set 5.1. Question number 1. Find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. First, A 2 3 and B 4 1. So let A 2 3 be x1 y1 and B 4 1 be x2 y2. Here x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 1. Now we have to find the distance AB. So by distance formula, distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now substitute the value of x1 y1 and x2 y2. So under root distance AB, therefore distance AB is equal to x2 is 4 minus x1, that is 2, 4 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 1 minus y1 is equal to 3, that is 3 bracket square. Therefore distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square, that is 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 square, which is equal to under root 2 square is 4 plus 4, which is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Still we can convert this into the mixed form. So 8 can be written as 4 2s are 8, which is equal to square root of 4, that is 2 root 2. So distance AB is equal to 2 root 2. Second example, P minus 5 7 and Q minus 1 3. So let x1 P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. So x1 is equal to minus 5, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to minus 1 and y2 is equal to 3. So by distance formula, distance PQ is equal to under root square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Therefore square root of x2 minus x1 square, x2 minus 1 minus x1 is minus 5 bracket square plus y2 3 minus y1 is 7 bracket square, which is equal to minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 bracket square plus 3 minus 7, which is equal to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 difference, that is minus 4 bracket square. So distance PQ is equal to, therefore distance PQ is equal to under root square root of minus 1 plus 5, that is 5 minus 1 is 4 square plus minus 4 square is equal to minus 4 square 16, which is equal to 4 square again 16 plus 16, which is equal to 16 plus 16 is 32. Now factors of 32, 16 2s are 32, 16 2s are 32, square root of 16, square root of 16 is 4 root 2. So distance PQ is equal to 4 root 2 units. Third example, R 0 minus 3 x1 y1 and S0 5 on to x2 y2. So x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 5.4. So by distance formula, distance RS is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, the value of x1 y1 and x2 y2. So distance distance RS square is equal to square root of x2 0 minus x1 0 square plus y2 5.4 minus y1 minus 3 square. Therefore distance RS is equal to under root square root of 0 minus 0, that is 0 square, plus 0 minus 0 is 0, and 5.2 minus 3 will become here minus into minus, that is 5.2 plus 3 bracket square, which is equal to 0 square will become 0. Now simplify this term, here do the cross multiplication. So 5 plus 3 2s are 6 upon 2 bracket square, which is equal to 11, 5 plus 6, 11 upon 2 square, square root of 11 upon 2 square. So distance RS is equal to square root of 11 upon 2, that is 11 upon 2, which is equal to 11 upon 2 is 5.5 units. Distance RS is equal to 5.5 units. Fourth example, L 5 minus 8 and M minus 7 minus 3, x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to minus 8, x2 is equal to minus 7 and y2 is equal to minus 3. So by distance formula, distance Lm is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So now put the value in the formula. So distance Lm is equal to square root of x2 is equal to minus 7 and x1 is equal to minus, that is 5 square plus y2 is equal to minus 3 minus y1 is equal to minus 8 bracket square, which is equal to, therefore distance Lm is equal to minus 5 minus 7 square root of minus 7 minus 5, which is equal to minus 12 bracket square, minus 12 bracket square plus minus 3 minus into minus plus 8 bracket square. So distance Lm is equal to, therefore distance Lm is equal to square root of 12 square minus 12 square, that is 144, minus 12 square is 144 plus 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 square. Therefore distance Lm is equal to square root of 144 plus 5 square is 25. Therefore, distance LM is equal to 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. So, therefore, square root of 169. So, distance LM is equal to square root of 169 is 13 units. Is distance LM. Fifth example, T minus 3, 6 and R 9 minus 10. So, x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is 6, x2 is equal to 9 and y2 is equal to minus 10. So, by distance formula, distance TR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So, distance TR is equal to x2, that is 9, minus x1 minus 3 bracket square plus y2 minus 10 minus 6, that is y1, 6 bracket square. Therefore, distance TR is equal to square root of 9 minus into minus plus 3 bracket square plus minus 10 minus 6, that is minus 16 bracket square. Therefore, distance TR is equal to square root of 9 plus 3, 9 plus 3, that is 9 plus 3 square bracket square plus here minus 16 bracket square, which is equal to distance TR is equal to 12 square is 144 plus minus 16 square, 16 square is minus, it will be 256, 16 square is 256. So, therefore, distance TR is equal to 144, square root of 144 under root 144 plus 256, which is equal to 0, 1 carry, 10, gain 3 plus 1, 4 under root 400. Square root of 400, that is square root of 400 is distance TR is equal to 20 units. Sixth example, W minus 7 upon 2, 4 and x 11 comma 4. So, x1 is equal to minus 7 upon 2, y1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 11 and y2 is equal to 4. So, by distance formula, distance xw is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Therefore, distance xwx is equal to square root of x2 is equal to 11 minus x1 is minus 7 upon 2 bracket square plus y2 4 minus y1 4 bracket square. Now, here 4 minus 4 will be 0. So, distance Wx is equal to square root of 11 minus into minus, it will be plus, that is 11 plus 7 upon 2 bracket square plus 0 square. Now, 0 square will be 0. Therefore, distance Wx is equal to square root of, here to the cross multiplication, 11 2s are 22 plus 7 upon 2 bracket square. Therefore, distance Wx is equal to square root of 22 plus 7, 7 plus 2 9, that is 29 upon 2 bracket square. Therefore, distance Wx is equal to 29 square of 29 upon 2 bracket square root is 29 upon 2 units, which is approximately equal to, and right here 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 1 carry, that is 2 5s are 10, that is 14.5 units is distance Wx. Distance Wx is equal to 14.5.